Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on rules and tables. Often we are given a rule and we are asked to complete a table for a given set of numbers. For example 1, using the rule triangle equals square plus 2, complete the table for the given set of numbers. So to find the triangle, we take the number representing the square and we add 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 5 plus 2 is 7. Example 2. Using the rule circle equals 3 times star plus 1, complete the table for the given set of numbers. So the circle is 3 ones are 3 plus 1. That gives you 4. 3 twos are 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 threes are 9 plus 1 is 10. 3 fours are 12 plus 1 is 13. And 3 fives are 15 plus 1 is 16. Example 3. Using the rule the square equals 5 times the triangle minus 2. Complete the table for the given set of numbers. So 5 ones are 5 minus 2 gives us 3. 5 twos are 10 minus 2 gives us 8. See, we're using that rule there. 5 threes are 15 minus 2 gives us 13. 5 fours are 20 minus 2 gives us 18. And 5 fives are 25 minus 2 gives us 23. This is an interesting one. Example 4. Using the rule the heart equals the smiley face squared plus the smiley face. Complete the table for the given set of numbers. So the smiley face squared, 1 squared is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 squared is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 squared is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 4 squared is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. And 5 squared is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. So this brief video has shown us how to complete a table when we are given a particular rule.